welcome back to another video. So there are a lot of people asking us about our epoxy and how heat resistant it can be. Well, this is our answer to you. Well, it can. Okay, so basically we have actually lit the countertop on fire. Alright, direct heat itself. So we let this simmer down for a while. Then basically after that we'll just show you what actually happens to our epoxy once the fire is actually done. Alright, so we have this misconception, people have this misconception about our epoxy countertops on basically hot boiling pots and hot boiling pans itself. So I'm going to show you a demonstration of basically what will happen if you put a boiling hot pot of water, alright, that we have here, onto our epoxy. Alright, so we're going to leave this boiling pot of water for about a minute. Okay, so basically a minute have actually passed. So we will actually remove the hot boiling pot of water for you guys to see. Alright, so basically this is where we actually put the pot of water. So as you can see from the epoxy, there's actually no damage and no defects that actually happen to the epoxy itself. Alright, so we actually go back to the fireplace where we actually lit the whole thing on fire. So you can see this whole portion. Alright, so same thing, you don't actually see any damage to the epoxy itself. What we can conclude from this whole video is that our epoxy is actually very heat resistant, up to 200 degrees Celsius. It can definitely withstand extreme heat you put on it. Alright, so with that being said and done, alright, we do not recommend anyone to do that to your epoxy on deliberate itself. So the reason why we actually did such extreme measures is to show you that in case of such scenarios were to happen, okay, you can have a peace of mind that your epoxy will still be fine. So if there are any questions or any inquiries regarding such issues, alright, do let us know. Drop us a text, drop us a WhatsApp. Okay, we'll be there to answer them accordingly. Right, this is Metallic Epoxy Singapore, signing off.